Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Southwest Airlines account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So the first step is you want to open your browser and search for Southwest Airlines Login just like this. And after you search for it, first option login, click on it. And make sure it takes you to southwest.com, alright? That is the official URL for Southwest Airlines website. Once you click on login, it'll take you to its page and it's going to ask you for login just like this. Over here, you can enter either your account number or your username. So I'm going to enter my username, and where it says password, just enter the password of your account and click on login. And you should be able to log in into your Southwest Airlines account. And if you forgot your username and password, you can see these options. You can click on it to recover them as well. So yeah, that's how you guys can log in into your Southwest Airlines account. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.